Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of February. So Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products that are great for the household. They have products for men, women, children, babies, pets. They have nutritional supplements and all kinds of things that are designed to help support your health and wellness. So I am an Essential Rewards member, and basically that means that I am committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And the good thing about being an Essential Rewards member is that you earned a percentage back on what you spend. So I'm currently earning 25% back on whatever I spend. So if I spend $100, I'm going to get $25 towards free products that I can bank up as points and spend whenever I want to. So each month I go into my Young Living app and I change the products that I want to have sent to me based on what my family needs. Usually I have a combination of essential oils, but I also have household products, and I do a lot of skincare products and things like that too. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. Inside, I have my paperwork. I'm gonna set that to the side. I have some packing. Ooh, I couldn't remember what I had ordered this month because this box has been sitting here for a little while because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So when I open it up, the first thing I see is the Young Living. Let's see if I can get close enough to where you can see it. This is Young Living's MultiGreens Supplement. This is an herbal supplement, and it says it's energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa essential oil. So this supplement is something that I like to use to help support my energy, and I take it once a day, but they do recommend that you take more than that. But I have a sensitive stomach, so I started by just taking one of these, but you could increase the amount that you take. It doesn't hurt my stomach or anything like that, but it does make me feel like it gives me a little added extra energy throughout the day. Let me read to you what they say about the MultiGreens supplements. All right, so MultiGreens. It says, MultiGreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And they recommend taking 3 capsules 2 times daily. But like I said, I'm currently just taking 1 cap, so I could probably start increasing that, but I like to test things out before I, jump in and take the full dosage. So I really like that supplement. The other supplement that I really like to take is the Inner Defense because it helps to support my immune and respiratory systems. And as a teacher, I feel like I need that extra support. All right, next is the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. I love the Young Living Bath and Shower Gels. They don't suds up like your normal over-the-counter bath and shower gels because they're missing some of those ingredients that aren't always healthy for you. So it says, infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils, Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild, plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And so I do love using this. I usually rotate between the Morning Start, which this one has like a really nice minty, refreshing scent, and I like the lavender bath and shower gel as well. So this month I got the Morning Start. And next I have something I don't think I've ordered in a while, but I love it. It is the Deep Relief Roll-On. And so Young Living has roll-ons that are already formulated to apply directly without having to dilute them with coconut oil or anything like that. So Deep Relief is a great one because this one's great for supporting like your muscles after workout and things like that. And it has a really nice kind of minty or peppermint kind of scent. Let me read to you what it says about Deep Relief Roll-On. All right, Deep Relief is blended with peppermint essential oil. Deep Relief Roll-On creates a cooling sensation when applied topically with a fresh aroma that is both invigorating and relaxing. This blend is perfect to keep in your gym bag to use during a workout. Ingredients are peppermint, coconut oil, Idaho balsam fir, clove, vetiver, wintergreen, lemon, helichrysum, copaiba, and dorado azul. And it says apply generously on temples, back of neck, or wherever necessary. And so when I use the Deep Relief Roll-On, I like to apply it like sometimes if I'm having some tension or things like that, I like to apply it like to the temples. It's great for the back of the neck, but one of my favorites is just to roll it along my shoulders, because I tend to hold a lot of stress and tension up on my shoulders, and so it supports the muscles right there on my shoulder blades. So I love this one. I have two other of the roll-ons that they have. I have the Tranquil, which is a good one too, and the Breathe Again, which is a great one for applying to the chest and the neck if you need some extra respiratory support. So those are all really nice roll-ons to have, and I'm trying to add some on. The next one I'd like to try, there's a Stress Away one, and I think the Valor one would be really nice to have too. So I was getting a little bit low, and so I just needed to replenish my Deep Relief. And then the last thing, kind of a small order this month, is in this bag like this. And I love to get a 3-pack of the Thieves Spray. And so the Thieves Spray is great. It's a small size, so it's nice and portable, and it's great for like cleaning surfaces and things like that. It says Thieves Essential Oil Infused Spray. Let me read to you what it says about the Thieves Spray. All right, so the Thieves Spray is a portable cleaning spray ideal for purifying small surfaces. Thieves Spray can be used on doorknobs, handles, toilet seats, and more. And it says spray on surfaces to clean as needed. I like to keep it handy so I can kind of clean some surfaces. If you go into a restaurant and the table doesn't look super clean, you can spray the table down and wipe it down real quick. Doorknobs are great. Shopping cart handles, that's another good one that I like to use it for. But it has that Thieves Essential Oil blend in it, which is great for cleaning surfaces and things like that. And if you're not sure what's in the Thieves Essential Oil, let me read that to you real quick. So Thieves Essential Oil contains cloves, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. Thieves is inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals that they used while robbing the dead and dying. It's a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene and eucalyptol. And so, like I said, this was a really small order for me this month, but I got some really good items. So I have the MultiGreens Supplement, which I was missing. I've been out of it for about maybe a week or two, and so I'm glad to be adding that back to my supplement routine. And then, of course, the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. I love to use that as my shower gel, but I also like to use it to lather up and shave my legs with. It leaves my legs feeling really silky and smooth. And then, of course, Deep Relief. I need that to support my muscles when they've been a little overworked. I love Deep Relief for my neck and shoulder area. And then the last thing I got was the Thieves 3-pack spray, because I like to keep those in my purse to help clean surfaces as needed, especially with everything going on. You know, you can spray it on your hand. If you don't have hand sanitizer, you can do that. And like I said, shopping carts and things like that, it's perfect for that. So if you have any questions about Young Living products, let me know. I am going to leave my membership number in the description box. That way, if you want to try these items for yourself, you can sign up to be a Young Living member. And you do that by ordering one of their starter kits. And so the benefits of being a Young Living member is you get 24% off of the retail price of items. So you get a discounted price. Like I said, I am an Essential Rewards member, so on top of that discounted price as just being a regular member, I get to bank that 25% back of whatever I spend to spend towards free products. And so what I usually do is I will bank that money up, or those points up, and then I'll spend them every 2 to 3 months on items that I like to get. Banking those points is a good way to try some of those more expensive items that you want to try. And so, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.